Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to Croatia. Today, we're gonna be trading in our van for a cozy mountain cabin right here in the mountains of Croatia.
We should be just around the corner. Really excited to stay the night in the cabin. The reason we're staying here is because it's near one of the highlights of Croatia, Plitvice National Park, and we're gonna visit that at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around for that. I found out why our mountain cabin was so cheap. I'm not sure if we're all going to fit in here. This looks like something they should give to a chicken.
I'm also slightly concerned with the quality of the staircase, but it's not the actual cabin. That is the actual cabin that we're staying in. It was a good joke, wasn't it? So this is a cabin that we are going to be spending the night in. The views out here are pretty nice though. Look at that. We're pretty high up on the mountain and it looks like it's gonna be really cozy on the inside. We do feel like we've been slightly cheated by the Croatian weather.
Lately, being and living in the van hasn't always been easy, especially the last week has been pretty much raining non-stop except for today, which is why we chose to rent this cabin for the night, just to have a change of scenery, have a change of pace.
Oh yeah, my identity card and the key.
Time for a full tour of this beautiful cabin. Here we have the entrance hallway slash seating area. We've got a table, some chairs here. The kitchen. It is pretty small, as you would expect in one of these cabins. And it's fully equipped actually. Got some cabinets with all the required stuff here, and of course... Uh-oh.
Don't break it.
I broke it. Oh no, I broke it some more.
People who are renting this out are not going to enjoy this.
Uh-oh.
The problem occurs on the other side.
Oh, I broke it on this side.
This is the view. We went through a lot of effort to show it to you. You can see the mountains off there in the background. Beautiful view.
Here we have room number 1 with a small single bed, which was about 0.8 Naics. Doesn't fit a whole Naick because it is too short. Luckily I can stick my feet across a bit. Looks very, very cozy. Really love the wood paneling here and the
That's exactly what you would expect from a mountain cabin,
Yeah.
that wood.
Only weird thing a little bit is that this room has a window that goes inside of the cabin, so when you're sleeping people can just watch you sleep. Oh, I have a creeper staring at me while I was trying to sleep.
This door is a super nice touch though. Look, when you push it like this, it closes. It's really like a barn style door. I love this. Ooh. That's quite bouncy. I think we're gonna have a good night's rest here. So this is the master cabin. Obviously we have more of the traditional style of wood. No, we are not staying in a sauna. In case you've never been in a mountain cabin somewhere in Europe before, this is actually quite common for this typical style that mountain cabins have. And it makes it look quite cozy. There's also an additional bed over there in case we get into a fight later, which
I thought you were gonna roll over. Weird thing is though, there's still a little bit of snow outside. It's middle of April. Get your stuff together, Croatia.
there's also a small seating area over here, and then here is a bathroom. Small, compact. It does look like something that ran away out of the 80s because I think this style of tiling is quite old-fashioned, but I think it also suits a mountain cabin, so does what it needs to do. Has a toilet, has a shower. Check, check on the box.
Oh, pretty cold now. I'm gonna turn off the heater a little bit more. Ooh, goes all the way up to 9. It was just at 4. Maybe we can run around in my underwear later.
Leave a thumbs up for this video if you want to prevent that from happening. Last few days has been pretty hard living in a van. For the past week, ever since we left home, it has been raining pretty much non-stop.
Yeah,
and
every day has been raining, cold, like really crappy weather. We sort of came south here towards Croatia to get to nice weather.
when we have lots of rain, lots of snow, we can't really go out and do stuff. We discovered that living in a van
Sucks. It just sucks. Let's just say it as is. It sucks. So we thought, well, let's do something nice. Let's rent the cabin, make a nice video about it, do something else. Really nice.
tomorrow, visit the waterfall, which I think will be
Visit the
super nice
waterfalls,
as well.
One of the nice things though about being here in a cabin and not in a van, having unlimited water.
And the mohawk.
and at a mohawk. When you have to shower in the van, you always have to be quick about it because of course water is very limited. But now...
Don't sprinkle me!
Hey, no peeking. Ah, it's so nice here. We made this room into a little sauna, put the heater on full blast. It's nice and toasty here after my shower. Love it. Kim, sorry, one confession to make though. I used up all the hot water.
You're kidding.
No. It is time for some cooking with Naick. Today we are preparing something very special with some vegetables, mustard and some creamy goodness. There's a very big problem though. We have a leak beneath the sink.
Oh my god! This looks amazing.
You are the guinea pig.
Wow, looks so good. Looks so healthy too. I hope so. Wow. Oh yeah. I love the mustard flavor in there. Gives it a bit of a punch.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
We had a wonderful night's sleep.
It was really good. This is a really, really, really good bed, actually.
Yeah, it's so cozy here in this room and just could lie in this bed for another day, I think.
I think they're gonna kick us out.
Yeah, but we just booked it for one night and we need to leave around, actually at 10.
Really?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Officially. Time for some coffee.
Thank you. It's a miracle you didn't drop one of them.
The main reason why we stayed at this cabin is because it's just a 10-minute drive from Plitvice Lakes. It's the oldest and largest national park in Croatia and it's a place of true natural beauty. It is home to 16 lakes and 90 waterfalls. You can see a little bit in the back there, but going down now, I'm gonna show you up close.
This part of the lake, or this lake apparently, is 14 meters deep. You can really tell over there where it starts to get darker blue that it just goes down. I love this little wooden bridge over here. It looks a bit but it's actually really nice because it brings you super close to the water and to the start of the waterfalls as well.
And the waterfalls, they range from very, very small to very, very big.
On ourselves a hot drink. Oh, some hot chocolate with whipped cream.
Chocolate with whipped cream? Oh shit.
It's real and it's really hot though in his defense.
I didn't know it was so full. Oh, this is good.
As I attempt to clean Naick's mess here. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to watch our Rovinj video that we made a couple days ago. Super, super nice town here in Croatia. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!